Layovers and stopovers. What's the difference? We all know the drill. You're on a long-haul flight, eager to reach your final destination. But wait, there's a layover, a short stop in another city. Layovers are usually just about catching your connecting flight. But what if you could transform that layover into an adventure? That's where stopovers come in. A stopover is like a layover's more exciting cousin. Instead of a few hours, you get to spend a day or more exploring a new city. It's a chance to break up a long journey and experience a new place. Think of it as a 2-for-1 deal on travel.
Let's face it, long flights can be tiring. By the time you land, all you want to do is reach your hotel and collapse. But with a stopover, you can turn that travel day into an exciting part of your trip. Imagine stepping off the plane and into a whole new world. Instead of rushing to your next gate, you head out to explore a vibrant city, taste exotic flavors, and soak up the local atmosphere. It's like a mini vacation within your vacation.
Stopovers are also a fantastic way to combat jet lag. By adjusting to a new time zone gradually, you'll arrive at your final destination feeling more energized and ready to explore. No more wasting precious vacation days recovering from your journey. So, ditch the airport boredom and embrace the stopover adventure. It's time to turn those travel days into unforgettable experiences.
When it comes to choosing the perfect stopover destination, Doha, Qatar should be at the top of your list. This dazzling city offers a captivating blend of modern marvels and rich cultural heritage. Gleaming skyscrapers share the skyline with ancient mosques and bustling souks. Stroll along the waterfront promenade, marvel at the futuristic architecture of the Museum of Islamic Art, or lose yourself in the alleys of Souq Waqif.
But Doha is more than just stunning architecture. It's a city with a heart, where warm hospitality will make you feel right at home. So why choose Doha for your next stopover? Because it will surprise and delight you at every turn. Immerse yourself in Doha's cultural gems. Doha is a city steeped in history and culture, offering a treasure trove of experiences for curious travelers. Your first stop should be the Museum of Islamic Art, an architectural masterpiece housing a vast collection of art and artifacts spanning 1,400 years.
From intricate calligraphy to delicate ceramics, the museum offers a fascinating glimpse into the rich artistic heritage of the Islamic world.
Next, venture into the heart of Doha's cultural scene at Souq Waqif. This bustling market is a feast for the senses, with the aroma of spices filling the air, vendors hawking their wares, and locals bargaining for everything from traditional garments to handcrafted souvenirs. Get lost in the labyrinthine alleyways, sip on sweet mint tea, and soak up the vibrant atmosphere of this centuries-old marketplace. Adventure and relaxation await. Beyond its cultural attractions, Doha offers a diverse range of activities to satisfy every traveler's taste.
For adventure seekers, a thrilling desert safari is a must-do. Hop into a 4x4 and experience the adrenaline rush of dune bashing, followed by a mesmerizing sunset over the sand dunes. Or embark on a traditional dhow cruise along the Corniche, Doha's picturesque waterfront promenade, and enjoy breathtaking views of the city's skyline.
If relaxation is more your style, Doha has plenty to offer. Unwind on the pristine beaches of the Pearl-Qatar, a man-made island boasting luxury residences, high-end boutiques, and waterfront dining. Indulge in a rejuvenating spa treatment, or simply soak up the sun and enjoy the refreshing sea breeze. A culinary journey through Qatar. No trip to Doha is complete without experiencing the city's diverse culinary scene. From traditional Qatari dishes to international flavors from around the globe, Doha is a paradise for food lovers.
Start your culinary journey by sampling local delicacies like makbuz, a flavorful rice dish with meat or fish, and guzi, slow-cooked lamb served on a bed of rice. For a taste of the sea, head to one of Doha's many seafood restaurants and savor freshly caught prawns, grilled hammer, or a hearty fish curry.
Doha also boasts a cosmopolitan dining scene, with restaurants serving cuisines from every corner of the world. Indulge in authentic Italian pizzas, savor spicy Thai curries, or treat yourself to a refined French dining experience. With so much variety on offer, your taste buds are in for a treat in Doha. Qatar Airways making stopovers seamless. Qatar Airways makes experiencing the magic of Doha even easier with its convenient stopover program. Enjoy a range of services to make your stopover comfortable and enjoyable.
Take advantage of Qatar Airways' free Doha City tour, including the Museum of Islamic Art and Souq Waqif. Discover the best of Doha in a short time.
Book a discounted hotel stay through Qatar Airways Stopover program. Choose from top-rated hotels, from luxurious to affordable options. With easy access to attractions, make the most of your stopover. Next time, make Doha a stopover destination and discover its magic.